Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Islam and I am a professional makeup artist based in Dhaka, Bangladesh. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this effortless, lightweighted makeup look that you all can wear in this extreme hot weather. So if you want to know the steps and know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. First, I'm starting with prepping my skin and using a moisturizer. Here, I'm using a very simple, easy to get moisturizer, which is Johnson Baby Moisturizer. Okay, then after that, I'm using the Jouer concealer underneath my eyes and around my nose and on my chin and forehead. All this concealer is pretty drying and I have a very dry skin, so I need to apply and blend at the same time, or else it sits up on your skin and is very difficult to blend. So here I'm just using brush from Real Technique and using that to blend my concealer. So this look has no foundation. You can apply foundation if you want to, but I think it's not necessary, and in this extreme heat it's very difficult to wear foundation for a long time and it creates a heavy layer on your skin which is not so much comfortable. So a concealer of your exact shade is just perfect for this weather. So moving on, then I'm using a liquid blush from Sheglam, and using that only the apples of my cheeks and slightly on my nose. Not any extra product, just that which is left on the brush. Then using a different brush from Real Technique, I'm blending the blush. And now I'm taking the concealer brush again and going over the blush to blend it all together. And after using all the cream products, I'm using a Fit Me loose powder to set my entire face. Not actually the entire, wherever I use the concealer basically. So which is around my eyes, and my nose and my mouth, and also slightly on my forehead. Since my skin is very dry, I don't feel like using powder on my whole face. It looks somewhat cakey and patchy. I don't like that look. If you have oily skin, then you can use powder to set your entire face. Okay, then after that I'm using Essence mascara. So I don't use mascara on my lower lashes because I think my eyes look smaller if I do so. Okay, then, and now here's a new trick that I use for my everyday makeup, which is I don't use any eyeshadow or eyebrow pen for doing my eyebrows. Rather, I use the mascara to set my eyebrows. Well, it doesn't give you a very neat look. It's rather a rough and realistic look. So that's what I like for my everyday makeup. Now for the lipstick, I'm using a lipstick from MAC. I actually forgot the name of the shade. And after applying the lipstick, I'm just fading it away with my finger. This gives a soft look, which is more wearable for your everyday makeup. So that's it, guys. That's the whole look. I know it's pretty simple. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.